Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Wednesday, September the 2020. Wednesday, September, Wednesday, September the 30th, 2020. Yes, second Sudoku is a medium Sudoku, a regular Sudoku because we have here 3 regular Sudokus and an additional with extra Sudokus with I believe 8 extra Sudokus. But first I will solve the regular Sudokus and this will be number 1650. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars in the additional for the difficulty level. We have here 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 2 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 is equal to 27. So if you compare, it is a 1 star. Yeah, within the additional we have 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 stars. And the 1 star is 27. The 4 star Sudoku 24. Alright, so let's get started. 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 9, the 4, and the 5 in the last row. We see here 9 in this big square, so no 9 in this box. Here 9, no 9 in that box. 1 box left for the 9 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column, so the column between, the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above, only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 9 and the 8. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Yeah. 5 in this column, the third column, 5 in the first column, so in the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 3 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 here. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. The 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes. 2 and a 3. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Then Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Yeah. I cannot continue with the 9. Let me see. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. Only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then. Yeah. How about the number 6 in this row, 6 in that row? So in the middle row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 7, the 8, and the 9. And look, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here also a 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 7 and the 8, I need to wait. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 2. How about yes, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 707 in these 3 boxes. There 707 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. Then 3 missing numbers in the 3rd row. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the 3rd row, the 1 and the 6. 1 and the 6, we see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the 2nd column, so in the 1st column. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 3 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 3 goes there. 1 number left in the 2nd column for the number 2. 2 in this column. 2 in the 2nd column, so in the 3rd column. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the 3rd row. 2 in the 2nd row, so in the 1st row. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3. Yeah. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the 3rd row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the 2nd column. So in the 3rd column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Or there we see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. Yes, 1 number left in this row, the 2nd row for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in the middle, a row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 5 and 7. 5 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 3rd Sudoku and the regular Sudoku, a killer Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye for now.